Hey lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. In today's hair tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can easily style this hairstyle for your princess. Okay, are you looking for a very easy hairstyle to style for your princess that is good, maybe for birthday party, for school, for kindergarten, or just to play in the park, like for any occasion? Just watch this video till the end. Let me walk you through on how you can easily style this hairstyle, and also telling you on how to maintain this hairstyle. Are you ready? So let's get started. Before you start, don't forget to moisturize your hair or your daughter's hair and spray it with water. So after that, I'm going to section this hair all together 9. 3 this side I'm doing right now. Then it's going to be 3 in the middle and 3 in the other side. So how we're going to do it, I'm going to section it from this side down. Then I'm going to line it into 3. These 3 parts, I'll be needing a black rubber band to hold the hair. So after doing that, I'm going to do the 3 before I start twisting them. I'm going to twist it. If you don't know how to twist, do not worry. Just pack it, roll it, and pack it along with the one we are going to do in the middle. So we're going to take this hair up to the ones we're going to do in the middle. The only way I'm doing now is just to twist this side and twist the other side. If you don't know how to twist, that's okay. You can just pack it along with it. You will still get the style you're looking for, as long as you use a rubber band to hold it. So after that, when I'm sectioning the back, you see I'm doing it. I make sure I follow the line that I used before. Alright, don't worry on the size, the middle. Maybe the middle will always be bigger because middle is fuller. Don't think maybe the middle is not full, it's too full, let me add to the back. You will miss the parts. So just follow the parts. See the way I do it now. And yeah, as I take this side, the same way I took from the other side, I add them together in the middle. Then I use a rubber band to hold it. The same way I am doing the front. So I use brush just to make sure all the front of the hair, they are all inside. So this is it. In case you want to leave this hair like this, that is why I waited for some time for you to see it. In case you prefer to leave this hair like this, you don't want to weave it, it's very fine, like very beautiful this way. So but mine, I want to weave it because school have started. If maybe it's for her to just stay at home, or we are going to birthday party, so I will just leave it like that. Put some ribbons, put some ribbons and all that, because when she starts school now, today is Sunday, when she starts school now, I'm going to leave her hair like that till on Saturday, when I will make her hair again. So it will make the hair get stronger because of the weather we have here, so that is why I'm weaving it. If not, I prefer the hair the way I packed it before. So fine. So all you need to do, just put some ribbon in it, you are good to go. But I use color 30. I think color 30. At braid is what I use. I split it into 3. So this is what I plan to use it for myself, but I decided to just use some parts for her. So after I finish doing rasta, I do 3 each. If you look at it now, so each carry 3. So you can also leave the hair like this. You see, I decided to just show you into 3 parts. Then for me, I decided to pack it for her, but she's going to be doing it 2 ways. Sometimes she will free it, sometimes she will pack it. So that is why I show all the parts, both this way, and if you don't want to make it at all, and when you make it, if you don't want to pack it this way, and when you pack it, you see how unique, beautiful and very simple this hair could be. So I use rubber band to hold it after I roll it. After I rolled it, then I use rubber band to hold it. If you see that the rubber band is not secure enough, add more to it. All right, you add more rubber band to it, just like that. So if you watched it this time, maybe you are enjoying the video. Thank you so much. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. God bless you all. So I hope you like this hairstyle, and I hope you're gonna give it a try. So, and stay connected to this channel, because more simple hairstyle are still going to be here. All right, thank you so much for your support. So how you maintain this hair, I think I've showed it already. I posted the video on where I was using this plastic tool. I add oil, I put oil in this plastic tool, oil my children's hair. Please, if you've not seen that video, try and just go up in my channel, you will see it. So just don't fail to always apply oil, maybe 3 to 4 times a week. Apply oil, spray it with some water, apply oil, use brush to brush it a little. This style will come back again. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like this hair, and I hope you like this video. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye for now. God bless you all, both my old and my new subscribers. Thank you so much, and bye for now.